Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix navbar at top while scrolling inside the Webflow. Now once you have opened the Webflow either in the browser or in the app, so just click on add a layout and I just need to choose a navbar. As you can see, like you can choose by your choice. I will add a random navbar. Now once it is added, so just select it. I will add a few more sections just to be just for the better clarity. So just choose the random section, either hero section or any other section. Just keep clicking on the plus button and you will be able to add as much section as you want. Just click on this plus button. Let me add one more section as well. Now once, as you can see, like multiple sections are added right now. So once everything is done, so just select the navbar from the top, click on it, and on the right side just scroll down. And once you scroll down inside the position, you can see like position is now relative, and just change it to the fixed. And once it is fixed, for the better clarity, I will just scroll down and change its color a little bit, just from transparent to any other color. Let me just click on it and choose any other color. Let's say red, or let me just scroll down and let's say green. And once you choose the color, you can just scroll down and change the opacity as well. That's your choice. If you want to set it to full or half, just set it. And once it is set, now if I left click on it, just it is automatically saved. And if I scroll down, as you can see, like the navbar is fixed at the top. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.